What's up, everybody? This is Reverend Guns, and today we are going to be removing the guide rod and spring from this Beretta 92FS and installing it with the upgraded parts from MCARBO. You have to actually get this in two kits. One is the guide rod itself; it's stainless steel, and the guide rod spring is in their Pro Trigger kit. So I'll do the rest of the trigger kit on the next video. So the first thing we're going to do is make sure it's clear and safe. So right behind the trigger here is the magazine release. When you press that, magazine pops out. Slide it out and set it aside. Right here above the trigger is the slide lock. You want to slide the whole slide back and push the slide lock up. It will hold it into place. And you can look down and see in the barrel there is nothing in there. So we'll press the lock lever down and it will uncock the slide there. And let's go ahead and pull out the parts we need. Got a stainless steel guide rod and the new spring. So to take it apart, you'll flip the gun over, and right here behind the trigger is a button you want to push and hold, and while you're holding it, it'll allow you to move the slide lock and release the slide. That'll allow you to take the slide off. Alright, right here is your guide rod and spring. You'll want to decompress it and raise it up a little, and that will allow you to take it out. The reason why I'm replacing this is because I'm not a fan of the plastic guide rod it comes with the heat and everything. If you shoot it a lot, it'll heat it up and cause it to warp. I just have a preference on having a stainless steel rod, and then it's got a little bit stiffer spring to help with recoil. Installation, very simple. It does not matter which end of the spring you put this on. It's the same either way. Okay, so right below the barrel is the hole where the spring goes. You'll put the end of the spring that doesn't have any of the guide rod in it into that hole. And this has got quite a big head on it, so that actually gets placed right here in this little half moon cutout you see on the bottom of the barrel. So slide it in the hole, compress it until it's seated in that little cutout, and voila, you have installed the stainless steel guide rod and new spring. Put it back together. You've got two little slots here. Those line up with the two ends here on the frame. Stick it all the way on. Now I go ahead and take the time to slide it all the way back and lock it up with the lock lever again, and that will allow you to lock the slide back into place. Now you can uncock the slide, and now, as I said, in the next video we will be doing the trigger spring kit, which is the hammer spring and the trigger and stuff. So if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. I also offer the online course to get your Texas license to carry a handgun. It's the 4-hour class broken down into segments and saves you progress so you can do it at your own pace. After completing the course, you can print your certificate. Then it'll help you locate an instructor close to you, no matter where you are in Texas, so you can complete the shooting portion of the course. This is all certified by the Texas Department of Public Safety. Check it out at reverendguns.com. If you have any questions or comments, please add them below. Be sure to like and subscribe for more firearms education.